Welcome to Spellbinders 2022 September Clear Stamp and Coordinating Die of the Month. Here's a look at the September stamp set. We included dies to cut every image in this set. Let's make a card. Stamp images in Memento Tuxedo Black ink or any other alcohol marker-friendly ink onto white cardstock. We're using a Mini Misty stamping tool, now available in the Spellbinders shop, to make stamping easier. Use your favorite coloring medium to bring these images to life. We're coloring with Copic markers. You can see the marker numbers on the caps on the screen. With the coloring done, cut the images out using coordinating dies. Next, add highlights using a white pen. Plan the element placement and pick a place for a sentiment. We're stamping one under the images using black ink. We used pattern paper from our party hat and streamers 6x6 paper pad for the background for this card. Adhere that panel to A2 top folding card base. Next, foam mount your elements onto the card. And enjoy! You can find links to all the products featured in this video in the video description below. Thanks for joining Spellbinders Club Kids. Have fun creating!